Yeah, what's going on? So today we have a video from Body Cam POV, and the title of the video is How One Man Caused Chaos for the Entire Neighborhood. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here.
We're gonna detain you right now. Get back up, man.
I'm not touching you.
Yeah, we've been dealing with him for weeks.
Yes, he has to go.
On October 10th, 2022, dispatch received a call in reference to a male being in a home that he wasn't supposed to be. He had a bond condition prohibiting him from returning to the home. Previously, he's been in and out of jail dozens of times, so he should understand that breaking a bond condition would send you back to the slammer. Let's get into it.
Hold up, mister. Hold up, don't go anywhere.
I'm fine.
You ain't fine, you was in somebody's house.
I went in nobody's house.
Yeah, you was.
No.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, we got a call about it and
I
everything.
ain't been in nobody's house. I'm fine, sir.
Yeah, just hang out right there, man.
I'm finna go home and go to sleep.
Nope, you gotta sit tight for a second, all right?
Y'all finna lock me up?
No, we're just trying to figure out what's going on.
Okay, I'm good, man.
I need to go meet with
Yeah, will you just go down there and check with them?
them. I just want to, make sure that.
Sit tight for a
Okay,
second,
yes,
man.
sir.
Don't quick.
I'm
Come
fine.
over here.
I'm fine.
Just sit on the bumper right there.
Where you been at? What you been up to?
I've been chilling. Just chilling, man.
Just chilling.
I ain't got nothing going on, sir.
Okay. Where you coming from?
I'm coming from up the street.
Up the road?
Just walking.
Oh, you just been walking around?
Last name Riddle, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Walking around. Okay. I mean, walking around ain't a crime.
That's what I'm saying. I mean, what have I did?
Yeah, we just got a couple calls about it, so, we're just trying to get out, see what's going on, figure out what they got going on.
And who said I was walking in the house?
And then we'll let you go.
Who said I was walking in the house?
Just some lady up the street.
Some lady up the street.
Yeah.
Hey, how you doing?
Good. Your mama at home?
Yeah, she just left out though, but he broke into our house and everything.
Okay. Where's your mom at?
Yeah, she at my grandma's house.
Where at?
I've been wanting to call. This lady over here is real old. She live by herself. And he been in her yard acting like a monkey and crazy. These people over here is not home.
Yeah.
I don't want nobody over here like that.
He was in somebody else's house. Somebody else had already called on about him.
Yeah.
Just have a seat on the push bumper, man. You gotta stop walking away.
I'm not walking away.
Yeah, just have a seat right here. He coming back.
And we've been dealing with him for weeks out of his mind on.
Yeah, but something wrong.
So,
but he
yeah.
hanging over there in that lady yard. I don't want him over there.
Okay.
I don't want him over here. But
Yeah.
I don't even know the guy. But please take care of that.
Yes, sir.
Oh man, have a seat right here.
Hey, I'm all right, man. Yeah, but you stay out of her yard. I don't want you over there. Huh? I don't want you over there in her yard. No. Okay. Don't let me catch you over there. Yes, sir. Over there in her yard. Okay, I respect that, sir. I respect that, sir. I ain't broke in nobody's house.
Yo.
She's walked all the way up here to us. You were the one that called originally? Okay, all right.
The whole community.
Yeah, we've been dealing with him for weeks.
Yes, he has.
Yeah, this guy, he's got to be high, don't you think? I think he got to be bugging out. Something. He got to be on something. Because for a man to keep acting like this, it's one of two things. Either one, you're under the influence of something, right? Or two, you just love jail. You know what I'm saying? Maybe you into them activities, you know what I'm saying? That they be having in maybe you just like jail. You know what I'm saying? You could be that too. You could be that too. You could be that guy that you just like jail, but something ain't right. Something ain't adding up. And this guy, he's definitely off his rocker.
Go.
He was in, are you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How did he get in?
Yeah, he came through the door.
Just on the open front door?
Yes.
And what was he doing when y'all got in?
He's doing all the hollering.
Yeah.
I'm not going nowhere. I'm not going nowhere.
Right there, then.
Hey, sir, I haven't done nothing. Sir, I haven't done nothing. Whose house did I break in? She's lying, sir.
You're not sitting.
I'm watching my neighbor. I don't want you over there. Yes, sir.
Have a seat right here on the bumper.
Yes, sir.
You are not sitting.
I'm sitting.
You're sitting now.
I'm sitting, sir.
You keep getting
I
up and
haven't
walking
done
around.
nothing, sir. Come on, man. I ain't did nothing, sir.
These several people.
Yo, yeah. Trust me, we know.
You can't do that. They make him our home, everything.
Okay. And y'all don't know him?
No.
Okay.
My mom called, but she gone.
Okay.
I'm just waking up. Yeah.
All right. There's a officer that was in an Explorer. She was actually on her way to y'all's house.
She done my mama. She gone to go meet her down.
Okay.
Yes,
All right.
sir.
Perfect.
How are ya? So, Miss was in here? Yeah. Are you good with that?
No,
You don't want him here?
no.
You want him barred?
Yeah, he on that dope side.
Yeah.
He been hooping and hollering all down the street.
Yeah.
Ain't got no shirt on nothing.
Yeah, we have contact with him. So you just want him barred?
He already been bored.
He's already barred?
Yeah.
52 Central. Can you see if Mr. barred from this property? What's your name again?
Johnny.
There.
I haven't done nothing. He don't have to worry about me. You don't got to worry about me going right there in that yard no more.
Hey, that's the, John, that's the other caller, original caller.
Oh, that's
She's
her?
lying, sir.
Have a seat right there on
Yes,
the bumper
sir. Yes,
like
sir.
I told you to.
Yeah, so he was, up in there.
I haven't broken nobody's house. She's lying.
It was up. That's
Can
what she
she
said?
tell?
Yeah.
She's lying,
Yeah.
sir. She's lying.
All right.
All right.
Give me a paper, man. Just stand up. We're just gonna.
Y'all love me,
I'm
y'all.
gonna detain you right now.
Man.
Get back up, man. What are you doing?
It's all not gonna be y'all fault.
We're detaining you. Put your hands behind your back, please.
All right.
Let's not make it difficult.
Man, come on, man. What'd I do, sir?
You went in somebody's house when you shouldn't have.
I didn't go in nobody's house.
You gotta stop, man. You moving too much.
Shit.
Did you see the color of his handcuffs? No judgment. I'm not judging, but it just threw me off guard. You know what I mean? That's all. It just threw me off guard. But anyway, from earlier, I think the police got to do a better job at that guy that keeps bickering back and forth with him. He keeps saying, I don't want you in her yard, this and that. Listen, you got to let the cops do what they got to do, and then you can't be having the neighbors bickering at him and this and that. Listen, that gotta be, they gotta do a better job at handling that, because that's a little bit ridiculous, that they just keep going back and forth, because it's only gonna escalate things a little bit on his end, on the guy that's bugging out. You know what I'm saying?
369 Central, you can show me in service time.
What I'm talking with?
Clear.
What I'm talking with?
We're gonna walk over here for a second and we're gonna talk to her, see what's going on.
Okay.
Central 262.
Hey, bro, can I hit a cigarette?
You got anything in your pocket?
No, sir.
Knives, explosives,
No. Hey,
bombs,
can I get a cigarette?
grenades?
Bring me a cigarette.
This here?
Any rocket launchers?
No, I have nothing, sir.
Stay away
Okay.
from a Johnny subject and not go to.
That's crazy, man.
Oh.
I have nothing, sir.
It sounds like a bond condition. Have them repeat it. I can't hear it over the yelling.
A bond condition, I'm not with charged with that no more.
48 Central. Could you 10-9 that information? You got a lot of background.
Hey, give me 5 of a cigarette. I'm not charged with that no more, man.
Okay.
Go ahead and show him 1095.
What's going on? I ain't got nothing. I'm not charged with that no more.
Okay, apparently you got bond conditions, man, where you're not supposed to be over there.
That case is over with.
He's got bond conditions to stay out of drive, and he was.
The bond conditions don't expire, man.
The case is out of bond conditions on his fight when the case is over with.
Up in that house.
I don't, that's my nephew. We
The
sitting
case
on
is out of bond
bus
conditions
stop earlier
when the
this
case is
morning.
over with.
He was nowhere over there.
He was over there. They was in their house.
That's a lie.
He's going to take a ride today.
That's a lie, man. Hey, let me hit a cigarette.
Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
That's a lie, sir.
Yeah, calm down, baby.
That's bull, man.
Calm down. You gotta calm down. As long as you stay out of trouble, just calm down, okay?
Sir.
Central 452.
Uncle Bobby, check in on you.
That's bull, man.
He is not barred.
She's sweet.
I'm not barred. He just said I'm not barred.
We know you're not barred. You're barred now on top of that.
So what did I do?
You violated your bond conditions.
You just said I'm not bored.
Barred and bond conditions is two different things.
Completely different things. Hey, you want to give that back to her, man, so you don't waste it?
Okay, can I put it a couple more times? What is if I violated my bond, how did I violate my bond conditions?
You're not allowed to be, and you're also not allowed to be around Miss. Your bond condition states that you signed in May that you're not allowed to go to that residence or be around Miss. Both.
That case is over with.
It doesn't matter.
Yes, the bond conditions do not expire. You can take a couple more puffs and
It
that's
don't
it.
expire.
No, but
You're not puffing.
barred for a period of 2 years from that residence, okay? I'm just letting you know.
That don't. Okay, let me put it a couple more times.
All right.
That don't.
All right, puff it.
That don't make no sense.
Well, I don't know why it doesn't make sense. Did a judge tell you that it expired, or did a judge tell you that? It doesn't matter about the case.
You got one more, man.
Oh my God, man.
Come on, take another puff.
I don't know, man. Call us next time.
What do you mean? I ain't been there.
Well, if you have a bond condition, call us and say, hey, is it still valid? That way we can let you know before you have to go to jail for something like this, okay?
Man, that's bull, man.
I don't know, my guy.
I contact with home.
I'm gonna go ahead and get the AVR started.
You gonna do it for me?
Yeah.
Okay, appreciate it. Go ahead, man. Come on, take another puff. You're not puffing.
Hey, bro, you bring me some water, bro.
Okay.
I'm finna puff it. I need some water, man.
All right, come on. You can get some water at the jail. Take your puff.
Bro, can you bring me? I need some water, man.
Okay.
I'm finna puff it.
You're not puffing then.
What's up, man?
You see my mouth dry though?
He'll get some at the jail.
What do you need? Oh, water?
So look at my mouth. My mouth dry as hell.
There'll be a 2-minute ride over there, man.
Exactly. All this talking, you
I'm
ain't
finna puff it, man.
Then puff.
Y'all doing me, man.
You good?
Yeah, he's good.
Bye.
Practice Center, did you say that bond condition on left drive?
Listen, all I can say is don't do drugs, boy. That's all I can say. Y'all see the look at him? Oh my God. Yo, y'all see the look on this dude's face? Oh my God. Yo, this dude look cracked out, bruh. He look so gone, bruh. Oh man. Y'all see the way you see the way he puffing on the cigarette. He like this. He like this. Oh shit. Oh my God. Yo, this is hilarious. I ain't gonna lie to you. This is so funny. I don't know if you think it's funny, but I think this is hilarious. This guy, repeat offender, man. He's his life unfortunately took a bad turn, and he's just gonna be in and out of jail his whole life. That's pretty much what lies in the future for this guy, man. It's sad, but this dude is bugged out. Yeah. Oh man.
10 for all saving now. There's 4 of them. I'm trying to look through each of them.
10-4.
All right.
Oh, he's looking at my bond condition.
No, we already got your bond conditions.
He just said he's going through them.
That's for our records, not you.
That's for y'all records.
Yeah. All right, come on. Come on.
9-3 Central. You can also clear our units from this
Sit
guy's
right there, watch your head, and just slide straight back.
So y'all gonna lock me up for nothing, bro?
Slide straight back, man. You gotta slide straight back.
Y'all gonna lock me up for nothing?
You're not sliding, man. Slide back.
Oh, man.
Come on. Bam.
Oh, man.
One more. All right, watch your knee. You want the seatbelt on? No? Okay.
Central 452. So the 3 bond conditions that would apply, you want me to save them all? There's one from May and June of this year, and then one from last year involving him and 2.
Oh, he's got 3 of them. That's crazy.
That'll do it.
I just want 3. Alrighty. Oh!
Man, y'all just gonna say I went in somebody's house, bro.
Because the lady said you did?
She be lying.
Both people ain't lying, man.
Man, please, man.
You probably just forgot you went in.
Man, don't forget I went in.
I don't know. Mistakes happen, man.
I ain't even barring right now, bro.
You got bond conditions.
That's over with.
7 on Central.
How the f have bond condition in there? It's over with.
Show me en route to 600 with that mail. Start a mileage 94227.
Oh, this, man. That's oh, 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 she look. So what I'm talking with?
Violating your bond conditions.
Crazy. Somebody gonna buy here in the morning?
Yep. All right. Need some help out? Got it. I got that shit. There you go. All right, come on.
That withdrawal gonna be crazy.
All right, listen to the deputy. Oh, hello.
I see you.
What? Gotta represent Breast Cancer Awareness Month.
I said I see you.
Breast Cancer Awareness Month.
I'm not talking junk.
Oh, no. Gotta represent.
That's funny. Now that is funny that his coworker, he's okay. I see you, boy. Okay. That's some interesting choice of handcuffs. I ain't gonna lie to you. You know what I'm saying? Okay. He saved himself with the breast cancer awareness, but yeah.
I'm not changing out, man. Need some water, bro. See, there you go, put your hands on me. There you go, put your hands on me. I'm not touching you.
It don't matter. You're not.
I'm not touching you.
It don't matter.
See, you want to do that to me anyway, bro.
But you got
You want to do that to me anyway.
We had this.
You want to do this to me anyway.
You don't want to cooperate.
That's up.
I knew it.
That's up. I need some water, bro.
Right there in the cell.
The suspect was booked for violation of family violence order.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.